how we use police DUI videos to help your case. This is Christina Williams with Just Criminal Law.
And David Mann, legal storytelling specialist. Okay, well, I bet there are a lot of stories that can be told with DUI videos. So how do you use this?
Well, first of all, with every DUI client that comes to our office, we let them know that we're going to get a copy of the evidence that the state wants to use against them. And included in the evidence is going to be a police report and a DUI video. Now, we'll meet with the client and we'll go over the report. We'll ask the client simply, let us know if there's anything inaccurate or incomplete in the police report, and then we compare what the officer says with what the client says on the DUI video.
Okay, so I suppose there are instances in which the client doesn't necessarily remember everything accurately, and then you watch the video to make sure it's correct?
Well, surprisingly, the clients a lot of times remember stuff that was left out of the police report. So, they may not remember specific instructions that they were given, say, in the field sobriety tests or anything that detailed. But as we go through the report with them, that refreshes their recollection of what happened and what the police officer said. And then what the police officer ultimately reports is not always the whole truth. So when we're looking at the DUI video, we just look for, the officer's going to point out all of the things that the client did wrong or what made them appear intoxicated. But there's also a lot of times, a lot of things that the clients did right that made them look sober. And so really, by watching the video and talking to the client, we're able to get a better idea of what really happened and then negotiate a better deal with the prosecutor.
Okay, so there's probably things that the client has no idea that they did right, and if they hadn't seen this video, they would think, oh, I must have done everything wrong. Is that kind of what they're thinking?
Right. A lot of times people debate, should I hire an attorney to represent me on a DUI, or should I just go plead guilty because, I took a test and I was over the legal limit? Well, a lot of times it's a matter of negotiating a better plea deal or looking for something that the officer did so wrong that we can ask the judge to dismiss the case. So, maybe the person doesn't know exactly how we can help, but we can always put them in a better position representing them than they would be if they didn't have us on their side.
All right, so someone gets stopped for a DUI, and there's always this body cam footage. And then if you get involved, you're going to know, when to watch, you're going to know what to look for, and then you're going to know what to do with what you see in the video. Does that pretty much capture it?
That's exactly right.
All right. Well, if someone needs that service, how do they get in touch with you?
We'll include a link in the description where they can call, text, or chat with a member of my team anytime, day or night. Here at Just Criminal Law, we know you only get one shot at justice, so make yours count.